Assalamu alaikum students. Here is your teacher Sir Shakir Hussain. Today we will study the poem from the book of class metric English. The name of the book is There is a Good Time Coming, and we will study the poem in both languages as well, English and Urdu. The first of all, there is the intro of poet. The question comes in a paper that write about the poet. So go through this one and learn it by heart. This poem is written by Charles Mackay. He was born in 1814 and died in 1899. He was a Scottish songwriter and born in Perth. His mother died while he was an infant. He went to school in Brussels in 1828 and began writing verses in both English and French. In 1830, he returned to London and worked for Morning Chronicle till 1884 and then became lead editor of Argus. Besides his extremely popular songs, some of which still live, Mackay wrote books on travel, history, and biography and was a good all around journalist. There is a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. We may not live to see the day, but earth shall glisten in the ray of the good time coming. अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है लोगों, अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है. हम इस दिन को शायद देख न सकें, लेकिन ये ज़मीन शुआ से जगमगा उठेगी आने वाले अच्छे वक्त से. कैनन बॉल्स may aid the truth, but thought's weapon stronger. We will win our battle by its aid. Wait a little longer. तोप के गोले सच्चाई की मदद कर सकते हैं, लेकिन नज़रिया ज़्यादा मजबूत हथियार है. हम इसकी मदद से अपनी जंग जीतेंगे, बस थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए. There's a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. The pen shall supersede the sword, and right, not might, shall be the Lord in the good time coming. अच्छा वक्त आने वाला है लोगों, अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है. कलम तलवार पर गालिब आ जाएगा. ताकत नहीं पर सदाकत हुक्मरान होगी आने वाले अच्छे वक्त में. Worth, not birth, shall rule mankind and be acknowledged stronger. The proper impulse has been given. Wait a little longer. विलादत नहीं पर काबिलियत इंसानों पर हुक्मरानी करेगी. मुनासिब जज्बा पैदा होगा, तहरीक शुरू होगी. थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए लोगों, अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है. There's good time coming, boys, a good time coming. War in all men's eyes shall be a monster of inequality in the good time coming. जब जंग बहुत बड़ा जुल्म होगा तमाम लोगों की नज़रों में उस आने वाले अच्छे वक्त में. Nations shall not quarrel then to prove which is the stronger, nor slaughter men for a glory's sake. Wait a little longer. फिर कौमें आपस में नहीं लड़ेंगी ये साबित करने के लिए कि कौन ताकतवर है. ना ही शोहरत के खातिर इंसानों का कत्ल आम किया जाएगा. थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए लोगों, अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है, अच्छा वक्त आ रहा है. There's a good time coming, boys, a good time coming. Let's aid it all we can. Every woman, every man, the good time coming. ہم جہاں تک ہو سکے مدد کریں، ساتھی بنیں. ہر ایک عورت، ہر ایک مرد اس نظریے کی، کیونکہ اچھا وقت آ رہا ہے. Smallest helps, if rightly given, make the impulse stronger. This will be strong enough one day. Wait a little longer. وقت پر دی ہوئی تھوڑی سی مدد بھی اس تحریک کو مدد دے گی، یہاں تک کہ وہ ایک دن کافی طاقت پکڑ جائے گی. بس تھوڑا سا انتظار کیجیے. Now the poem is completed and it is a central idea. Pen down it in your notebooks. After central idea there are the certain questions. Note them down in your notebook and write their answers. And here is the reference to context. Read the line carefully and answer the given questions. Take care. Allah Hafiz.